I wanted to see if I could build a real AI wearable device, something that looks futuristic. So I made this, an AI pendant that can listen to me, talk back, and even see what I'm looking at. Now let me show you how I built it. The device runs on a Xiaozhi ESP32 S3 Sense microcontroller. It has an onboard microphone and a camera. And the audio output is done using the Max 98357A amplifier paired with an 8 ohm 1 watt speaker. This is 23 mm in diameter and a 12 LED NeoPixel ring. That's all the components we need for this device. And a custom 3D printed enclosure. I have printed the front panel using translucent PLA, but white also works. But it's going to look a little different. Let me show you the difference. So this is the translucent PLA and this is the white. The white gives a more cleaner look, but it won't let so much light outside. Again, it all depends on your preference. I like how the transparent PLA looks, so I'm going to keep that. I'm going to go ahead and make all the connections. The connection diagram is linked in the description. If you just want to make this on a breadboard, you can just use the same connections to do that. And if you need a custom PCB for a project, Avon is a one-stop PCB manufacturing and assembly service. So you can go from design to fully assembled board without juggling multiple vendors. Ordering is also pretty straightforward. You can go to their website, upload your Gerber files, select your board specs like thickness, layers, and quantity, and you'll get an instant quote. From there, you can place your order, track the progress online, and they handle the rest, including fabrication and even assembly if needed. They support everything from quick prototypes to full production runs. If you want to try it out, I have left the links in the description. Go check them out. Once the assembly is complete, I can flash the Xiaozhi firmware onto the board. Just connect it to your computer and head over to the Tech Talkies flashing page and select the AI pendant firmware and flash it. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. Once the flashing is complete, the device will go into Wi-Fi configuration mode.
Enter the Wi-Fi configuration mode.
Using any smartphone, connect to the Xiaozhi Wi-Fi network. and open 192.168.4.1. In this Wi-Fi configuration page, select the Wi-Fi network to connect to and give the password and connect to it. That's it. The device will be connected to the selected network now. As a next step, it will give you a code.
Please log into the control panel to add the device. Enter the verification code 3899002.
Note this code, head over to xiaozhi.me and go to the console page and add a device. Here you can enter the code for the device. Next, click on Configure Role. This will open the settings for the device. Here you can change the name of the device and select the language. Scroll down to the bottom and select DeepSeek as the AI model. Now save the settings and restart the device. And that's it. The configuration is done and you can start using your AI pendant.
Jarvis, how are you today?
I'm doing great today. It's a lovely Saturday and the weather is quite pleasant. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. Can you raise the volume to 100%?
Volume has been raised to 100%.
Can you take a picture and tell me how many fingers I'm holding up?
Sure. Let me take a photo to check. You're holding up 2 fingers.
Can you take a picture and tell me what this is?
Sure. Let me take a photo to check. It's a parted artificial plant on a black adjustable stand, used as a decorative ornament indoors.
How are you today?
Good morning. It's a lovely Sunday, May 24th, 2026. The weather is pleasant.
Jarvis, take a picture and tell me what I'm holding.
You're holding a small rectangular white breadboard, an electronic prototyping tool with a grid of connection holes, often used for building circuits without soldering.
Jarvis, I have an ESP32 microcontroller here. Will this work with 5 volts?
Great. The ESP32 microcontroller is compatible with 5-volt systems, but keep in mind that it operates on 3.3 volts logic. You can safely connect 5-volt signals to its input pins, but avoid connecting 5-volt output signals directly to the ESP32 to prevent damage.
And subscribe for more projects like this.